and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. The headlines for today are: National President of NPP arrived in Imphal to meet party leaders in connection with the upcoming Manipur election. Minthang Dorbar Shnong felicitates workers of Jowai Municipal Board and Asha workers. Kasorupat Ba Nong Thamai, or the Voice of Nong Thamai people, organizes candlelight vigil to commemorate killing of surrendered HNLC by police personnel. And now the news in detail. National President of NPP and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Saturday arrived in Imphal to hold a meeting with party leaders in view of the upcoming election in the state. Interacting with the media, Conrad K. Sangma said the party will contest in a majority of the constituencies and will not have any pre-poll alliance with any political parties.
Is in connection with organizing the party, especially keeping in mind the upcoming elections in 2022. As you're aware, that the National People's Party is one of the 8 parties and the only political party from the Northeast which is a nationally recognized party. And that is because we fulfill the criteria laid down by the Election Commission. And therefore, in order to ensure that the party is well organized and the party is ready to fight this coming election in 2022, we had a meeting with
the Dorbar Shnong of Minthong today felicitated the workers of Jowai Municipal Board and Asha workers as a mark of appreciation for the dedicated service that they have rendered to the society. The felicitation program was held at the locality Dorbar Hall, Jowai. Present at the program were Fidel War, Chairman of JMB, S. Amse, Executive Officer of JMB, H. Pasa, Assistant Engineer of Municipal Board, and elders of Minthong. Speaking on the occasion, the headman of Minthong, El Poktai, who presided over the meeting, said the purpose of felicitation was to express deep appreciation, gratitude, and also to encourage for the dedicated service put in by these workers. Poktai also said that there are other people like frontline health workers, ASHA and media persons who have dedicated the service when the state was at its height of COVID-19 pandemic. Speaking on the occasion, the chairman JMB termed the felicitation program as very meaningful because the workers of the Jowai Municipal Board in particular have come to render their services without complaints.
o territorio wa planar haslo trajeu yo te kasantri kunu kunai uai te tenda dap yo te ga task force ona lo chaman o ma basa uliwi ran engineer yo kita gigo kitau de terwal guru udah biangkat kam kita kendor udah kita ke no addiction dem kita ke certificate.
The newly formed organization, Kasorupat Ba Nong Thamai Pulun, today organized a public gathering including candlelight vigil to commemorate the killing of surrendered HNLC C. Thangkyu by police personnel at his residence in Maulai Kinton Masar in Shillong. The meeting strongly criticized the state government for the way in which police personnel killed the surrendered HNLC C. Thangkyu, which was uncalled for. The speakers at the meeting demanded that the state government should immediately suspend the police personnel involved in the Maulai Kinton Masar unfortunate incident to ensure a free and independent judicial probe.
Pidon hakabor pila benle nyai tang bawat bam ya kilong pa la nei ki khon samla ya kilong keme changji ai man siam ya ketika yeng tha thang khiu kila lek sakmat ubele tang basi ken tian ngala ban ong hang nia ngam danang bangan krian tang bang akwa krian ya ngapa ka jing so liam sa phei ki khon ki te phem wat ngau marwe Mamde ben chuyang tang kini kisah rang. Ye jem thai lo ye dom nang. Boleh kau kacuk kabo. Benda yak hai le khap ban kesan kendet iki kem thai. Namar ki kem thai ki kham don bo. Ya kata ngalak ben ong nya. Ngas mau he ela dia nya. Namar bangas mau bangan ong banga isi ya ka polis di department baka dekan usok no. Balayo. Ayo kan suan pam. Ya ki kon ya ki tai ki para do ki para snam cengi. Halor nata. Dei so tang mender sis ngai. Wan ben belade wan ben pamriu. Has hakan kari cengi.
Ba kening benta hakit jingi tengko jingi berti bor jaga ai ni dap da ke somen ko bakrau ba ke sus ngan ru kum ka yeng sam habang i bakal leng ke brih nyutrap kelmi kisur ba pher ban mi surak ban perta ban hala ban pit sngau sikis kor jok sarkar ban penyo ya ke jing besar ba hok habe dem ke jing khan no jong man junga uli sirastar fil thang kheu kublai sibon yim dan kentien ban batai ke jing songo ka le chpi baro henrai ka bakang komsang ka ban kaliang ke yang sam jungi dan ban ong ba ka tagalong mangin bo a ke jing dwai how blai try kan rat nong bon thau jungi bon ai ya ke jing start ke jing sampang ya phi kum ka sor upai nong thamai pulun bat kisang long keme kisket kinong kam sinong kisang samla ba phi yo ke jing start ke jing sampang Mapin petulun ikan ikakam nang ni sakmat. Kumjo rong inbo ke jing dawai hoklai. Baun te song ingi kum kejap benri hiborok ko bai. Menginyang telis kam ko bai. Bangnim syak pen thamisyo hang neng tai. Inbo ro ke jing dawai. Hoklai. Baun nyada kejap benri jungi. Baun pelai ingi nang jing syak faria. Hapa pun ki benta janti jungi kum kejap benri. Balai gajah do kat ni. Balai kejap benri jungi gajah do kat ni. Balai bakinut banwan set yap kum ni. Yem pai. Namar kum kejap benri ngrak faria. Hapa pun benta kejap nanti jung kum kejap benri borok ko bai. Tenang ni sakmat indawai bau belai un khang dikta ki bor ke jong ki jingdom ki bor jong sabai rupa makin mela syuk pen karya yang ikum kejai ben riu kum ke yang kesem ngidap da ke jing songo ka bakrau ye phi baro ngim dam kentin ngim dam thlit ben batai henrai ke ei ka ba ka sarkar ka le kum ke yang kesem ngim la ben pediang ki suwan ben set jab mim pej nak yang ke yang kesem ngim la ben pediang hato kedan ke ai ke selendat bah ban kem mi ki sep tieng dan ayu selendat ban ken bisari yu ki sep tieng dan ayu selendat bak siwan set im pej ya hummen jonga khamda ailat yu ban ya sat dal de hato dan ayu selendat ke hato kita ki jing keno jong phiru bah hummen jonga dan ketiah ta jing thibom kilong ba sisa ni ki ba thap nada kilong ba sisa boleh kin phim kem ken bisari yu tipin salap susu igi dendong jeng tuju hato kapap kapakat no kan ulale hadu pa pinwar sejap nak leng yang kesam jungi ngim pediang igi ni jeng no jeng sarkar iong bagadai ka basu thap basulam ler ka basu pharat ka basu thau khana tang ban yok penthami pai ba jeng prinyo trap naman pai ba jungi kilong ki ba sidur ki ba sida bat ki ba lului kilong ibang ibe ba ki ba kelbi ru tenang ni sakmat inbo ke jing dwai ulai mangindam long syuk kiba nget pi bal kiba kelbi nering long kiba start ba sempang hababon ki benta ja anti jong jengi mujat ben riu te ke jing mi jong sakmat ru banyak kon yang ni kakam ban penyo ke justice jong men jonga galong bangi kwa nak yang kasem ba kum kini ke jing ja kinum japat sekwe pa kilong yeng ke prinyo trap kham tam sik tu gi yeng kiba don ki kon dap senrang bami banjadai kari pa ke ben riu ngim kwa bagi kondak senrang nang ni sakmat kin mat kumbamat hummen jonga ngamda dan ki kintin sibon henrai masupen pau ke jing songo ya phi baro kuplai sibon ni jing dan kat jing phi serbo per ka I mean sim sikadai engi banginang ya sakmat intor sakmat wat mangi kum ke yang sanru inya daron kat bat phi serbo per ke jing terkam jing phi ngiru ndan lang na dien ke ke jing ya nanti jungi ngarok apan ke jing san lam jing phi namin poi sok thong jong jing job hagi jinya nanti jogo jing khun jungi la kalong daga an ni da kan no kun tiru nginya khun bai ban yo ja ke justice
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again. Thank you for watching.